Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from OKX Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your OKX mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, by default you will be on the exchange tab. So you need to tap on wallets tab in order to come to the OKX wallet. Now over here in your wallet, you are going to see all of the cryptos that you hold. So you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. After selecting that crypto, you are going to see a send button over here. So you need to tap on that send button, and after that you will have to enter the address. So in order to enter the address, you will have to launch any of the exchanges or any of the wallets in which you want to withdraw your crypto. After that, you just have to copy the address from there and you simply need to paste on the address section. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and after that you just have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to review your withdrawal. So you will have to go through all the details that are mentioned and then you need to tap on withdraw. Once you have confirmed your withdrawal, you just have to wait for some time until you see your withdrawal crypto in your exchange or any other wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.